So, well, here's the thing. It's midnight and I'm going to this one pizza place. It's called O Pizza. So let's have something from over there. And well, my routine is sort of messed up, and that's because I had to work day and night shift one after the other, just taking the gym break in between. So today the day shift was off for me, and the thing is that I got quite lazy and I slept a lot. I also worked on some stuff, posting some stuff as well. However, the thing was that now I woke up at night, and I thought I'll just go out, and also along with that I'll record the videos. And what I'm actually trying to do is that after the pizza place I will go to the Riyadh. There's this one fabulous place over there called Samahan district. So inshallah over there I'm gonna have tea, but I will also show you people the scenes over there. Subhanallazi sakhara lana hadha wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin ki wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. There's a lot of traffic around this time. Why is that so? So yeah, we are almost free to come into this lane. I really want to try out this cafe over here, Atypical, on Takhasusi Street, and I'm not sure if it's good, but well, the amount of customer it gets and looking from afar, it seems like it's good, but we'll get to it. Let's come into this lane and not... okay, yeah, this lane is fine. Will not be blocking anyone that wants to go over there. That's a G2 or T2, and that's a Sonata, and in front of us is Jeep. Is it a Grand Cherokee or what? I don't know much about the Jeep vehicles, but these are the midnight scenes here in Muhammadiyah district of Riyadh for you guys. You see, it's busy. There's shops over here that are still open. There you go, you see. But we are on a mission. First thing is to have dinner. Second thing, to go to the area and to record the nightlife over there, the scenes. Actually, I'll not be able to record the nightlife, but I will be able to record the scenes over there in the area, the landscapes, the stuff and all that. On an evening would have been even better, but well, like I said, I have to juggle my job and this content thing, and thirdly, investments as well. So I have to read about that, I have to study, I have to talk to people on that. So the pizza place is actually nearby. Right now the only channel that I feel is getting enough traction, that is actually on track and that could have more potential, is the Street View by Talha. So over there I think people are generally interested in seeing the places, and they maybe want to see their own place from a third person's perspective. should we call it a third person's perspective or what? Anyways, the pizza shop is around the corner. Oh, pizza. There it is. And let's get into a parking. Yeah, they have a place to sit there as well, so let's go. With this I can actually see the front. Actually, it doesn't have a front camera, but this also gives a good indication of where you where you should stop. Okay, we are disturbing the guy, I think, with the headlights, but we'll close it and we'll actually go inside Ibiza. And once there, I'm also gonna record not record, but maybe post some videos or stuff, maybe even this video for the channel. By the way, this is how my stuff looks when it's in the hand. There's a tripod, there's the Insta360, there's this cover, and also mobile. Anyways, let's go. Let's go. Ibiza. So I will also end the video once I'm here, because this part will come in another video. There were good little place. Anyways, let's wait for someone to give order